In this video, I will show you how to recover old WhatsApp account without a SIM. So let's jump straight into it. Now, recovering an old WhatsApp account without a SIM card can be a bit of a challenge because WhatsApp does rely on your phone number for verification. However, after doing some research, there's a few ways you may still be able to access the account or its status. So here's a few methods that I found which may help you to recover your old WhatsApp account. Now, the first thing you can do is use an old backup if available. So if you do have an old phone with WhatsApp still installed, you might be able to recover your chats and data. Now, WhatsApp do automatically create local backups on Android devices. So what you want to do is look in the WhatsApp databases folder on your device. Now, if you do have access to it, you might be able to reinstall WhatsApp and restore chats from this backup. If you have previously backed up to Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone, you can restore chats when you install WhatsApp on a new device, even if you don't have the old number. To do this, you will need access to the Google or iCloud account associated with the backup. Now, if you have previously linked WhatsApp Web to a computer, you can still access recent chats through that session, even if the account is not active on your phone. However, if you have logged out from WhatsApp Web, this option's not going to work for you. In addition to this, you can always reach out to WhatsApp support for assistance. So what you can do is email WhatsApp support@whatsapp.com. with details of your issue and proof of account ownership like your old phone number and any relevant information. What you basically want to do is explain that you've lost access to the SIM and ask if they're able to provide alternative verification. While of course this is not guaranteed to work, WhatsApp may have policies for users in such situations. Now, if your old number is still active, you can contact your mobile carrier to see if they can transfer the old number to a new SIM. Some carriers do allow temporary transfers to help users verify services that require SMS. So that's a few things you can try to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM card. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.